Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make the custom ringtone on your iPhone. So actually lots of people think that it's impossible to create your own ringtone on your iPhone, but it is. At first you have to download the application called the GarageBand, which is the official GarageBand application on iPhone, and you have to open this application. It's in the horizontal view and it's the Apple's application, so don't worry, you won't get any errors, etc. Click continue here, then continue back again, and you can don't allow for notifications. Here now we have to click on any instrument, it doesn't really matter, and create a project. So for example, let's get here and create a project. Now we have to tap the track view, which is the little brick button, this one, and now here we have to import the audio we want. So we have to long press in the workspace and then import pick files or music. So here we do have, as you can see, the buttons. Here we have some Apple loops, files here, and browse from files. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of voice files. So we can, for example, tap this one and import this file here. Now it's here, we can click cancel, and now what we have to do is to trim the clip. So let's do it like that, and now we have to trim the clip maximum to the 30 seconds. It's because this is the Apple's limit for ringtones. Now we have to tap the arrow, which is this one, and this, as you can see, goes back with our project. So remember, if you did any mistake, you can click that, and now we have to tap this down arrow, tap my songs. Now it's saved, and what we have to do now is to hold our finger on that. Here we have to tap share, ringtone, this one. Here we can rename it and click export. Here ringtone export successful. And that's how to do the ringtone, custom ringtone. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And goodbye actually.